future.
Opener Dwight Stewart Cavalier knocked off 68 runs, helped Racecourse to beat Petersville by 8 wickets in the final. With 1 hour and 25 minutes lost, through rain the match was reduced to 14 overs aside, and Petersville captain, national all-rounder Derval Green elected to take the first strike. Green and Ruel Winter posted 35 runs of 2.4 overs before Keith Atkins got the prize wicket of the captain for 24. 9 runs later, spinner Rashane Pottinger bowled the former West Indies under-19 player Michael Frew for 7, the backbone of the Petersville batting. However, Winter and Damian Perrin staged a brief recovery of 35 runs at the halfway mark of the allotted 14 overs. But once again, Atkins returned to have Perrin brilliantly catch by Shalom Parnell in the deep for 18, and from there on, the Racecourse bowlers reduced the run rate to just under 9 runs per over. With 2 overs remaining in the innings, Winter and Travis Taylor scored 24 runs, with Winter unbeaten on 31 and Taylor 14, as Petersville were restricted to 124 for 4. Atkins finished pick of the Racecourse bowlers with 2 for 30, now needing to score 8.86 runs per over, with the strongest batting lineup of the competition. The total looked at a walk in the park for Racecourse. And their intent was shown early as very technical high school opener Dervish Shaw took 14 of the first 3 deliveries from Cardell Anderson. And this had the Clarendon supporters sensing an early victory. But Anderson would have the last laugh after bowling Shaw for 14 with score on 17. Dwight Stewart and his nephew Wayne Davis then posted a second wicket partnership of 104 runs, both batsmen hitting the Petersville bowlers to all parts of the Naranda ground. Stewart brought up his half-century with his 4th 6 as Racecourse moved within 24 runs of victory. However, Frew wanted to make things interesting and removed Davis for a well-played 42 with the score on 121 for 2. That would be the last taste of success for Petersville, as Stewart finished off the match with the boundary as Racecourse won with 13 balls to spare.
Yes, I know from season I've been getting runs, and I got 400 runs this season. I'm confident I can pull it through. But this victory here, if you just Scott Morris, who passed and gone.
His brother skipper Amlet Stewart received the check valued at $1.2 million and the trophy for the 2nd time in 4 years. The disappointing national representative, Derval Green, collected $600,000 for the runner-up spot.